Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring the exciting frontiers of virtual reality with a roundup of some of the most advanced VR headsets out there. Starting with the Meta Quest 2, this device offers an easy entry into VR with its 128 GB of storage and high-resolution display, making it both affordable and powerful. Moving on, the Meta Quest 3 takes things a step further by enhancing your virtual experience with even better performance and new interactive features. Next, we switch to the Apple Vision Pro, Apple's first foray into mixed reality. This device seamlessly integrates digital elements with the real world, setting a new standard for immersive technology with its intuitive design and high-end capabilities. We can't forget about the PlayStation VR 2, which simplifies virtual reality with its plug-and-play setup. The VR 2 introduces dynamic sense controllers and an enhanced visual experience, making it a significant upgrade from its predecessor. Lastly, let's look at the Valve Index VR kit. Known for its high-fidelity visuals with a 1440 x 1600 RGB LCD per eye and refresh rates up to 140 Hz. The Index is designed for deep immersion with finely tuned lenses and an innovative off-ear audio system that keeps you comfortable no matter how long you play. From immersive gaming to interactive learning, these headsets are transforming our digital interactions. Be sure to keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Valve has really pushed the boundaries with this device, setting new standards in the VR industry. First off, the Valve Index boasts an impressive 1440 x 1600 RGB LCD per eye, delivering visuals that are not just crisp, but incredibly immersive. Compared to standard OLEDs, it shows 50% more subpixels. And when it comes to refresh rates, the Index takes it to another level, supporting 120 Hz and even up to 140 Hz experimentally. This means smoother and more vibrant visuals, enhancing your overall VR experience. But what truly sets the Valve Index apart are its finely tuned lenses, which offer a wide and clear field of view with a 130-degree angle. These lenses are tilted to balance your inner and outer field of vision perfectly, ensuring maximum immersion. And let's talk about comfort. The Index features an innovative off-ear audio solution that delivers high-quality sound without touching your ears, making long sessions much more comfortable without any ear fatigue. Adjustability is key with the Valve Index. You can tweak everything from the strap fit to the distance between the lenses to match your IPD, interpupillary distance, and eye relief, ensuring a personalized and optimal viewing experience. So whether you're climbing mountains, sniping in battle, or soaring through the skies, the Valve Index is designed to bring your virtual adventures to life like never before. Ready to dive into a world of high-definition VR? The Valve Index VR kit is waiting for you. Sony's latest leap in virtual reality. They've completely streamlined the setup process compared to the original PlayStation VR. It's as easy as plugging it in with a USB-C and you're ready to dive into your games. The PlayStation VR 2 boasts some impressive upgrades. Adjustable headbands for comfort, built-in cameras with LiDAR sensors for effortless play area setup, and an OLED screen per eye, each with a 2000x 2040 resolution for crystal clear visuals. Gaming in titles like Horizon and Gran Turismo VR feels incredibly immersive thanks to a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and infrared eye tracking that sharpens images wherever you look. One of the standout features is the Sense controllers, equipped with haptic feedback and adaptive triggers that respond dynamically to your actions, enhancing the realism of every encounter. Despite the high-end features comparable to premium models like the Meta Quest Pro, the PSVR 2 is more accessibly priced, making cutting-edge VR more available than ever. I'm thrilled to dive into the Meta Quest 2, a 128 GB virtual reality headset that's your gateway to the expansive universe of VR. This device isn't just about stepping into a game, it's about stepping into entirely new worlds. Packed with a whopping 128 GB of storage, the Meta Quest 2 allows you to store an extensive array of apps and games. Its high-resolution displays are a real game-changer, enhancing every visual detail to immerse you fully in the virtual environment. What's more, it's completely wireless. Say goodbye to tangled cables and restricted movements. With the Quest 2, you have the freedom to explore your virtual worlds with ease. The built-in audio system also deserves a shout-out. It enhances your auditory experience, making every environment feel even more real. And with access to Oculus's extensive library, you're never short on new experiences to discover. Whether you're a newbie to VR or a seasoned enthusiast, the user-friendly interface and touch controllers make navigation a breeze. The Meta Quest 2 is perfect for gamers, entertainment seekers, and creative minds looking to explore or create new experiences. It offers a seamless VR experience with its high performance and speedy processor, making every session smooth and enjoyable. So, if you're ready to unlock the doors to virtual worlds and elevate your VR experience, the Meta Quest 2 is definitely worth considering. Let's strap in and see where this adventure takes us. Today, I'm excited to showcase the mixed reality glasses, a device that stands out with two RGB cameras offering 18 ppd, 10 times the resolution of Quest 2, and double that of Quest Pro. This technology allows you to interact with virtual objects in your physical space, all displayed in full color and high quality. The integrated stereo speakers feature 3D spatial sound, enhancing your auditory experience with a 40% higher range and deeper bass. For traditionalists, there's also a 3.5mm jack for wired headphones. Performance-wise, the device is equipped with 8 GB of RAM, providing 33% more memory than the Meta Quest 2, ensuring smoother operation of your favorite applications. Ergonomically designed, it features an adjustable strap to fit various head shapes and weighs 515 grams for comfort. The display resolution per eye is 2064 x 2208 pixels, offering nearly 30% more clarity than its predecessor. With a refresh rate up to 120 Hz and a wide field of view, these glasses promise the most immersive virtual experience to date. Plus, the Meta Quest Touch Plus controllers enhance your interaction with intuitive controls and precise input. With a vast library of over 500 titles, this device not only delivers a premium VR experience, but also enriches it with advanced mixed reality capabilities. If you're a tech enthusiast, this is a must-try device. Let's dive deeper and explore this incredible headset. Apple Vision Pro is Apple's first major consumer product since the Apple Watch, and it's already making a splash. Crafted with a sleek design, the Vision Pro features a laminated glass front, an aluminum frame with a flexible cushion, and an adjustable headband. It packs a punch with 5 sensors, 6 microphones, and 12 cameras, not to mention the dual 23-megapixel micro OLED displays that deliver stunning visuals for each eye. Powered by the Apple M2 chip and a custom R1 processor designed specifically for this headset, the Vision Pro offers seamless and powerful performance. Running on Vision OS, it provides a fluid transition between augmented and full virtual reality. Navigation is a breeze with intuitive eye and gesture controls, allowing you to interact with your digital environment in the most natural way possible. Whether you're gaming with over 100 titles from Apple Arcade, using productivity apps like Microsoft Office, or streaming on Disney+, this headset is designed for both entertainment and productivity.